In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track contractors for filing 1099s in QuickBooks Online. This process is essential for anybody managing business finances, especially if you're working with independent contractors. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to track contractor payments, but you'll also be ready to file those necessary 1099 forms when tax season rolls around. So, let's dive right in. First, you want to start by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. This is where the magic begins. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but for today's tutorial, we'll assume you're already set up. Once you're logged in, keep your credentials handy because you might need them again for security purposes. Next, navigate to QuickBooks Online from your dashboard. It's crucial to select the correct option here to ensure you're in the right place for managing your finances. Enter your credentials and click on Continue to access your main QuickBooks interface. This is your control center where all the financial activities of your business can be overseen. With QuickBooks Online open, head over to the Expenses tab. This section is where most of your financial interactions take place. It's the hub for any outgoing money, including what's paid to contractors. Finding this tab is straightforward. It should be clearly named and visibly located on your main navigation menu. Once you're in the Expenses area, look for the Contractors option. Here, QuickBooks provides a focused view specifically for organizing and managing the financials related to your independent contractors. This is where you can monitor who you're paying and how much you've paid over time, keeping your records robust and up to date. Now that you've accessed the Contractors section, you want to click on View 1099 Filings. This is perhaps one of the most important steps of today's tutorial because it leads you to where all the necessary 1099 forms are managed for tax purposes. By clicking here, you open the window into your tax obligations related to contractor payments. Take a moment to review all the information presented in your 1099 filings page. Ensure that all contractor data is accurate and up to date with the payments you've issued throughout the year. Accuracy is key here because incorrect data can lead to issues with your tax filings, so take your time to double check everything. And there you have it. You now know the essential steps to track contractor payments and prepare for filing 1099s using QuickBooks Online. Keeping these records organized not only makes tax season more manageable, but also ensures your financial dealings with contractors are transparent and compliant. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to check out more of our tutorials for further QuickBooks insights. Always remember, organized finances lead to a stress-free business life.